Okay, I got a question for y'all out there. Going down the road, I've been doing some thinking about this here global warming and everything, which anybody in their right mind can't help but got to think about it because of this damn, everybody's advertising this dang climate summit up in Copenhagen. But anyways, that ain't what I want to talk about. Well, I do want to talk about global warming, but not Copenhagen. It seems to me that as far as my education, my memory of my education in science class tells me, is that the trees set off oxygen that we breathe, or not just trees, but plant life puts off oxygen that we breathe, and we emit carbon dioxide, which is what the plant needs. Okay. Now, if we have an overabundance of carbon dioxide, and now they're saying also a mixture in with methane gas, okay, and with all the deforestation of Brazil and South America down in the Amazon forest, and everybody in the States cutting down trees and everything for these strip malls and everything, and housing. Why aren't we are we running out of oxygen? Has anybody said anything about the depletion of the oxygen level in this world? Because it seems to me like if we have a population growth and a decrease in the amount of plant life, it seems like your ratio of oxygen to carbon dioxide would be getting further and further apart with the increase of carbon dioxide, like they're saying, causing this global warming. There would be a decrease in oxygen levels. I would think that if these people were really serious about this global warming and everything, why ain't they talking about the decrease in the oxygen level? Because it'd have to decrease. It's only understandable. It only makes sense. You can't have an increase in one thing and not have a decrease in another. Because if our oxygen level is staying the same throughout history, then that means our atmosphere and ionic sphere and all this other spheres surrounding the Earth, that means the depth of it, or the thickness of it, it would have to be increasing. Especially the atmosphere, which is, I think, is the lowest sphere right there to the Earth. It would have to be thickening and getting wider. But ain't nobody said anything about that. And also, too, they were saying, too, years ago, with all these rockets and everything being shot into space, it's puncturing holes in the atmosphere and everything, and they're worried about all that. But like I said, where is our oxygen going? Or is it going anywhere? And is all this carbon monoxide, is this all bullshit hype? Also, too, another thing I just thought of, if our carbon dioxide levels are increasing, as they say it is, and it's a food for the growth of plant life, and why aren't we having an increase of damn plants, and why ain't we having to mow our grass that much more? If carbon monoxide is getting away from us, warming up the earth, why aren't we having to mow the grass that more and everything? You know? Something just ain't adding up there. The oxygen and carbon dioxide methane gas ratio, there should be some sort of significant level change between, you know. So, I don't know. I just thought I'd bring that out and put it out there and see what y'all thought. But anyways, so I'll talk to y'all later then.